In this tutorial, we will start looking at calculus, but our focus will be on power law. Then in the next video, we'll look at other laws. Then I'll make a separate video on the first principle. So now let's begin. So consider an equation y is equal to xn. So according to power law, what we do is the power here, we drop the power, then we subtract the power by -1. So what I mean is this. It means this power is dropped, then we have x n minus 1. So example, find the derivative of the following. Find the derivative of the following. Here we have y is equal to 2x n at 2x 2, then b y is equal to x, then y is equal to 2, and the last one, y is equal to 2x cubed plus 4x 2 plus x plus 4. So now let's find the solution. So now the first one, y is equal to 2x, then we have a power there. So now what we do is this. Remember, from our law, the power is dropped, then you subtract with we subtract it with 1. So now we're going to do the same. Remember, we have the power. What is our power there? It is n. So this n is corresponding to a 2. Then the x is corresponding to x. So now if I want to differentiate this, I'll drop this power here. So it means it will be, I'll write dy dx. Why am I writing dy dx? It means I'm finding the gradient of this equation. So now I've written dy because there is y. The first letter here is y. Then is equal to 2x squared. So now because there is a variable x, no wonder I'm writing dx. If here it was v, it would have been dv. If here there was a t, it would have been dt. So now this 2 is coming here, so it means we are multiplying 2 by 2, then x squared minus 1. So this means we have 4x. Then when you subtract, what are we getting? We are getting a 1, which is the same as 4x. It means we found the solution to the first question. Now let's go to b. With b, we are saying y is equal to x. So now when I write y is equal to x, it means this one is the same as it is raised to power 1. So now because again there is x, there is y here, so I'll say dy dx equal to, when I drop a 1 here, it will be 1. Then the power is 1, so it will be 1 minus 1. This means I have 1, open brackets. What do I have? X minus x is 0. Then from the rules of indices, any number raised to power 0, it's 1. So when I multiply there, what answer am I getting? I'm getting a 1. Now, what about c? So c, the derivative of any constant is always 0. So the derivative of y is 0. As long as it's a constant, any number, be it 100, be it 300, be it 400, if you want to find if you want to differentiate it, the derivative will always be 0. So now let's go to d. With d, we are saying y, it will be dy dx. So now when you check here, Why am I writing dy dx? Just like what you can see here, there is y, here there is x. All the variables are x. So it means, let me differentiate this one. So it means that a 3 will come here, then I'm multiplying with 2, then it will be x, 3 minus 1 plus 2 multiplied by 4, then I have x, then 2 minus 1, then plus. Remember, any number, as long as it is just a single variable, is the same as it is raised to 1. So it means there's a 1 here. So again, the 1 will come here, we subtract with a 1. Then the last one is a constant, just like what we did in C. It means that the value here is 0. So when I come here, if I multiply, what am I getting? I'm getting 6 x squared plus 8 x 1. Then here, the same as what we did here, it means it will be 1 x, 1 minus 1 is a 0. So plus a 0 there. So it means, what are we getting? We're getting x squared plus 8x. Any number less to 0 is a 0. I mean, it's a 1. So it means it's 1, open bracket, 1. So it means, what do you have? You have x squared plus 8x plus a 1. It means I found this. Now try practice the following. This is the exercise. Try practicing this. Find the derivative of the following. Y is equal to 1 over 4 x squared plus 3x squared. B, t is equal to 3x squared plus So try practicing this. See you in the next video, where we are going to look at, we'll start from the exercise. Thank you. Stay tuned to the next video.